Hello, my name is Jimmy and this is the 2020 BMW X5 M. This is the full fat performance of the X5. So today we're going to take a look to see how the Clek Liing, the Clek Foonf, as well as the Baby Zen Yo-Yo fits within this vehicle. Let's take a look. All right, the back seats of the X5 here. As you can see, I have the Foonf installed on the passenger side. I did have to move the passenger seat here a little bit forward, but it's still very accommodating. There's still plenty of room for the passenger, no real compromises there. And I have the base for the Liing installed on the driver's side. As for the driver, me at 5'11", I fit perfectly here. No need to move that seat at all. In terms of lower anchors, the X5M has two sets, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. They're behind these plastic caps and they're super easy to get access to. Behind the seats, there are three sets of upper anchors. Judging by how wide this vehicle is, you should be able to fit three across. However, without actually three, I can't test that unfortunately. Let's put the Liing in just to see how easy it is to put the infant seat in. In terms of getting the Liing in, well, it's actually very easy. There's plenty of room on the top because it is a high-riding SUV for you to, well, slot the Liing in itself. Something to note is these doors, they don't open like a full 90 degrees, so it's not as convenient as you may like. But you also have these little window blinds, so you can shade your child away from the direct sunlight. Oh, these doors are also soft closing, which means if you just quietly shut this door, it'll, well, seal itself. It's perfect. Let's take a look at the trunk. As for the trunk for the X5M, I mean, it's an X5M, it's large. What I really like about it is the dual action tailgate here. Top part goes up, bottom part goes down, which means you can have a little resting area or changing area just right here on the trunk. And it makes it easier for you to slide items in and out. I mean, this Baby Zen Yo-Yo, it's super small, so there's not gonna be any problems putting this into the vehicle itself. Easy. But what you actually have is underneath the floor, there's a little bit more space, so you can store maybe like a go bag or something like that underneath the floor itself. And that's how the Baby Zen Yo-Yo, the Clek Liing, as well as the Foonf fits inside this. A very, very fast child hauler. Family hauler? Well, whatever your needs are, this vehicle will suit you. It fits you, your entire family, and a whole bunch more. In any case, thank you so much for watching this video. Like the video if you do. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.